Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam's no internet connection error. So if your Steam application is showing a no internet connection error, even though your internet is working absolutely fine, don't worry, this video offers several solutions. So first, you need to completely close the Steam application on your device. Click on the X button in the top right and then go to your system tray. Then right click on your Steam application and then select close window or exit Steam. Then after open task manager, right click on your Windows icon, then select task manager, expand it. In the processes tab, if you see any Steam related processes, right click on it and select end task option. Now close the task manager when finished and now locate your Steam application, right click on it. Then choose Run as Administrator, and launching Steam with administrator permissions can often resolve connection issues. And once the Steam opens, click on the Steam option in the top left corner of the screen, then select Settings option, and then it will appear. Navigate to the Download section, which is in the left-hand side between Library and Storage. Go ahead and click on it. Then scroll down, there you'll see the option of Clear Download Cache. Click on Clear Cache, and then Steam will restart and you'll need to log back into your account. This is normal. Another potential cause for the issue can be Windows Firewall blocking the Steam. So go to your Windows search bar and search for Allow an app through Windows Firewall and open it. Locate Steam in the list. And once you find it, make sure that the box is checked beside it. And after trying these methods, Steam should be back online and functioning correctly. Additionally, a simple computer restart can often resolve many connection problems, or you can also try uninstalling the Steam application and reinstall it on your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.